What's up, peeps? Andre Boy here, and welcome to a new bottle flip video this time. This is my little kitty. Midnight. So I'm gonna be doing this, and oh my god, just stop zooming in. So first of all, I need to do a bottle flip. Capped. JK lol. So I'm gonna put this like that, and then I'm going to do a bottle flip like that. Okay, guys? So okay. Hey! Look at that! Look at that! Wait, hold on. Look at that. That's on the edge. The edge, bro. This is not working out. Amos. Okay, that's our cat Midnight. So this will be my second video today, cat. And so, oh yeah, for my thing. This will. God dang it! So for my next episode on Pokemon White, you guys just say water, fire, or grass. Probably, I think most of you guys will probably post fire. So I'll just cut the video just a wee bit. Okay, so it's back up, so I don't hit. So okay, come on. We have to do this in this video. We have to do it. In this midnight. Give us luck. I think Midnight's giving us luck. That was not enough. Come on. That is not even what I'm supposed to be doing. Just hurry up and land on the cap. What am I doing with my life? Come on, this has been 2 minutes and I haven't done one yet. We are number 1! Okay, come on. Okay. We can do this. No! Oh, it's so close. Wait. Do you think we can, guys? No, we can't probably. Okay. Put that there. After I do this, I'm just gonna leave it till like someone comes over because I need to show someone that I did this. Bruh! Did you give us luck? Oh my god! We did it! We did it, guys! We did it! Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna do it the other way around. Then I'm gonna stop, okay. Here it goes. Okay, guys. Okay. This is getting real close and I'm about to die. Let's go. Did you see how close that was? Oh, that wasn't even like working. This is not working. Wait, hold on, guys, hold on. Do you think we could like land it on there? No. Oh! Another thing. Screw that out of there. Doing this. Flip it. Crap! Come on. Okay. Sorry about the clicking. It's just like I just like to do clicks. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Okay. Last flips. Okay, well I have to finish the video because yeah, it's been going for 4 minutes or 5 minutes now. I do have a video that's like 9 minutes long, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Does it? So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I may see you who's watching this video right now in the next. And it's not doing it, guys. Come on, I can do this one. I've never done this one before. Come on. Come on. Come on. I freaking give up. So, leave a like if you love this cat right here. So. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And oh my god. I'll see you in the next video.